Could a phone designed to lead the future actually end up falling behind before it even launches? That's the question people are now asking about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. It was supposed to mark a bold new step for Samsung, a sleek, lightweight flagship that stood out from the usual big and bulky designs we've gotten used to. But early leaks and growing concerns about its price tag have shifted the conversation entirely. The first time we heard about the Galaxy S25 Edge, excitement quickly started building. Samsung had hinted at something new during its Unpacked event earlier this year, a thinner, more compact smartphone that still packed high-end performance. Many saw this as a direct response to growing rumors about Apple's so-called iPhone 17 Air, which is also expected to go down a similar path with a slimmer and lighter form factor. On paper, Samsung looked ready to take the lead. Not long after the event, several leaks began surfacing. Insiders revealed that the S25 Edge would have a display size close to the Galaxy S25 Plus, but it would weigh less and be noticeably thinner. The device was said to feature the newest high-end chipset and a streamlined camera system. It wasn't trying to be the most powerful or feature-packed device in the lineup, but instead something more refined and minimal, perfect for those who prefer a lighter phone without compromising too much. But then came the unexpected twist: the pricing. A European retailer listed the Galaxy S25 Edge at €1,360 for the 256GB model. That's about €200 more than the Galaxy S25 Plus with the same amount of storage. In the United States, this converts to roughly $1,100 compared to the S25 Plus, which is expected to launch at around $1,000. This raised eyebrows, especially considering that the S25 Edge reportedly comes with a smaller battery, fewer camera sensors, and similar core specs. At the same time, Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air is said to be launching not long after, and early estimates suggest a price of about $900. That's even cheaper than the S25 Plus, let alone the Edge, and Apple may not be holding back on features either. There's talk of a 120Hz display, something typically reserved for its Pro models, making its way to this lighter version. On top of that, there are rumors about Apple switching to a new silicon carbon battery technology that offers better efficiency in compact sizes. All of this could make the iPhone 17 Air more appealing, especially if Apple keeps the price low. So now the situation looks a bit tricky for Samsung. They're offering a slimmer design, yes, but at a higher price than their already well-equipped S25 Plus. On the other side, Apple seems to be preparing a thinner phone that might actually be more affordable. This direct comparison isn't helping Samsung's case, and if the final specs and pricing don't shift, it could turn away a lot of potential buyers. Adding more pressure are global economic factors like new tariffs and rising production costs, which could affect prices across the entire industry. But since these issues impact most tech brands equally, what really matters is how each company chooses to handle pricing, and whether the value offered truly matches what consumers expect. For Samsung, the Galaxy S25 Edge could either be a smart move that creates a new product category, or it could face criticism for asking too much without offering enough in return. The design is promising, and it's clear they're trying to do something different, but the final decision may come down to how people feel about paying more for something that's lighter, but not necessarily better. We'll have to wait and see how things unfold once the official details are out. Will Samsung adjust its approach before launch or stick with this premium pricing? Let us know what you think about these thin phone trends. Would you pay more for a lighter phone if it had fewer features? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for all the latest updates on new tech.